And we are here, the Volvo Aero Ipoh's Body and Paint Center in Juru. Yep. It's a huge facility. Huge. Let's go in and check it out. Oh, and we arrive here in the comfort of our beautiful Volvo. Hello guys, I'm at Aero Ipoh's Body and Paint Center. Even though I mentioned Ipoh, we're now in Penang. Basically, this body and paint center covers the entire northern region of Peninsular Malaysia. But of course, at the end of the day, it's up to the service, whether you are satisfied or whatever. So whether you are from Johor, Malacca, whatever, they are open for business, all right? But basically, they are for the northern region.
Volvo Certified Damage Repair Center in Juru, Penang.
Now, usually this kind of facilities is not focused on customers because basically customers seldom come here. They will bring the car here and then bring the car to you. But if you wanted to come here to pick up your car when it's done, I'll show you a little bit about the lounge. Just a quick view. If it is open, okay. Oh, it's not open. Basically, there are some sofas in there. There are some merchandise and whatnot. Basically, it's a very comfortable place for you to pick up your car. I'll show you guys later, alright? So, come over here. This is Volvo's Damage Repair Center for the northern region. And today is the opening. Obviously, you see a lot of people, you know, everything is new. You see flowers and all that. Hoists, of course. There are hoists. But what's important is the modern equipments that they have. A lot of you may not know that damaged cars can actually be repaired, alright? But it has to be done in a professional manner. So come and have a look at some of these equipments, alright? CO2 welding, alright? Jigs to pull the body panels when it's a small accident, okay? Even spot welding, look at that. Come on, look at this thing. Yes, that's the spot welding that they use in the factory. Right, these equipments cost a lot of money, alright, but they're here. And this one, you can see the size is a lot larger than that. This is for bigger repairs, alright. An induction heater, and these are all the jigs that is required. And that's the computer where they have everything, every computerized spots. Basically, they follow the requirements, how much force to use. Everything is as per factory standard, alright. These are all the equipments, all these are heavy investments, alright, to help you when your car met a small accident and you want to get it repaired, you know, to be safe and certified to be used on the road again, alright? So these are all the equipments, and of course after the repair you need to repaint them, right? Check out this one. These are what we call the paint preparation bays. Very interesting thing is that, come and check out the rails down here. So basically the cars will come in here. Of course, they have two bays, they can cover it, and they can cover this whole thing, and they prepare the car first. Once it is prepared, it doesn't leave the clean room and go into the paint shop. No. Once it is prepared, of course today they haven't installed all the rigs, right? But basically, once it is done, this door will open up. This door will open up, and the entire car slides into the paint bay. Alright? The entire car just slides inside here, and then it gets painted and heated and dried and all that. This ensures, after the preparation, your car doesn't leave the clean room, coming out here and get all kinds of dust and all that, and go back in again. So this is very important. A lot of independent painters out there doesn't have this facility. They don't have this, alright? And of course, their factory isn't spotless. So that's why a lot of times when you get your car fixed outside and painted outside, you will get a lot of spots and all that underneath the paint layers, alright? So everything they use here is as per standard, as per factory, to ensure a really satisfied outcome to you guys, alright? I'm happy to see more and more dealers are willing to invest because they see a very bright future ahead with Volvo Cars Malaysia. Sales has been up. They've been breaking record and record year after year. And this is one of the example of their commitment to Malaysian customers. All right. So I'm really happy to see Volvo growing and to play the part in it and to see where it is now. I hope more and more such facilities, service centers and all that can cater to all of you guys who buy Volvo cars. Another thing, look at all this recuperation and recirculation. This is certified clean for the environment. It's not just painting and everything just scattered everywhere. Everything gets filtered. All right, so this is proper Scandinavian environmentally conscious manner of doing things, the Volvo way. All right, so yep, this is yet another big investment from Volvo Cars Malaysia and the dealers Airo Ipoh for investing in this. All right, yep, I guess that's about it. Of course, I wish nobody would end up visiting this, but if you were to happen, rest assured you know someone capable is taking care of your car. Cheers.